Hello friends and welcome back to another video. Today we are in Venda. We're in the motherland, man. If you're new here, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you must be notified when we put more content on our channel. Today we are going to MGB Hotel and have fun, man. It's going crazy. Afterwards we're doing a Tabani Mall Newscafe and it's gonna be crazy the whole night. Please, let's go. Yeah, we just arrived at the hotel now, so we are going inside. Today I'm not alone, guys. I'm with my gang, so let's go and check what is inside the hotel. Yeah, now we're at the entrance. Some people are just taking pictures of themselves there. You know, people who are Venda, they can come here and take themselves in pictures and go back home. So we are at reception now. They're helping us. Then afterwards we are going up. This is beautiful, man. This is beautiful. So now we are taking a lift going up to the restaurant. I'm with my gang here. The Bomo Daza and King TV. Hola, my man. So we're going up to the restaurant, man. We're going to the restaurant, okay? A restaurant. Yeah, let's go up. We're going up now. I'm with the King TV and Bomo Daza. So guys, we're just going to have fun and it's going crazy. It's going banana. Yeah, let's go. This is beautiful of Venda, guys. Venda pictures, Venda vibe. You know what it is.
MGB Hotels, King TV, it's Bomo Entertainment. Boom shakalaka on 1,000. Ratata.
Yo guys, honestly speaking, we had a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun. So we are now leaving. We're going to Newscafe, Taban Mall. So we're just going to have fun there. And the food here, guys, we had a lot of food, and the food was 10 out of 10 for me. I don't know about my gang, but they really enjoyed. I know they really enjoyed. So we're now leaving to Newscafe. We're going to dance there. I'm going to dance like nobody's business. Yeah, man, let's go there and just watch how I dance. So yeah, we're leaving. Guys, we are in Taban Mall right now. You can see from the distance that this is happening, bruh. It's going crazy, it's going banana. We are at Newscafe now, guys. This is going to be crazy, I'm telling you. So we're at the entrance there at Taban Mall. So guys, let's go inside and check what is happening. The DJ is playing there. So guys, we're going to have a lot of fun with my gang here. We're just sitting here. We just order some drinks and some food, and it's going down, it's going banana. I'm telling you, I'm going to dance now. I'm going to dance right now. Yo guys, it's a time now to go home. Guys, we had a lot of fun, guys. We're eating chicken wings, fries and ribs. So guys, thank you so very much for watching. Please, if you're not yet subscribed on our YouTube, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we love you so much.